Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can name your song in Bandlab, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I just recorded some voice audio just as an example here for this project. This is a completely empty project that I've created literally 5 minutes ago, and I'll be showing you guys how you can name it. Now, firstly, of course, you can see the project name at the top. You just click here and enter a new name, for example, test, and click anywhere else. And as you can see, that will be the new name. Now you can click publish, and from there you can add a description once you've already renamed this. If it just says new project, you'll need to rename it under the publish screen. But yeah, once you rename it here, that is pretty much all you need to do. You can also go here, and once you go into project and then download and into mix down as, you can download the entire file, and it might give you the option to rename it while you're downloading it with your file manager. However, this is pretty much all you need. You just change the name at the top, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.